Hi, my name is John Kelly. I'm a trucking accident lawyer based out of Phoenix, Arizona, and I handle commercial trucking accidents throughout the United States. I want to talk to you today about the police report and how it's important and how we use it for our truck accident cases. So anytime a commercial vehicle is involved in a serious auto accident, our client may be seriously injured, and we're often relying somewhat on the police to do the initial investigation of the accident. Those reports are not often available immediately after the accident. Sometimes we're waiting weeks for the report. But when we do get the report in, there's some action items that any good trucking accident lawyer knows to do. Obviously, the first thing is a careful review of the report. Oftentimes, we find that there's new witnesses that we weren't aware were at the scene. Sometimes we find out there's more physical evidence that we need to follow up with. And other times we find out that the report has a completely different view of how the accident happened than what maybe our client told us or what was believed to be happening from the case. So if you've been injured in an accident and you want a team put together, our law firm often will meet with clients, understand their injuries, help them get doctors, but also we're also looking at the police reports with our clients and going through the witness list, hiring investigators to follow up with what we need from that report. So police departments, fire departments, there's going to be reports. They're very busy. They don't have time often to follow up with all the nuances of the accident. Their goal is to see, okay, was there criminal activity? And does someone need a ticket from the accident? Beyond that, they're not doing further investigation. They don't need to know what the very minute details are that plaintiffs' attorneys like to know, like, well, if there was a tire that separated that caused the truck to go into the lane of my vehicle and you were hurt by that truck, we need to know more information about that tire. So initially you're looking at that report, but then we're actually taking more information from it and following up with witnesses. Can we get in touch with these witnesses, with our investigator, and get more detailed information from them? There are several times when after the initial reports come out, we are getting a team put together, we're on the ground, we're actually looking at the physical evidence, interviewing witnesses, and we're coming up with a whole new strategy and understanding of how the accident happened, which allows you to maximize the recovery that you're able to get from the semi-truck company. Anytime there's a commercial vehicle accident, there's a lot of parties involved, and you need a team of lawyers that can kind of get together and come up with a strategy. And at the Kelly Law Team, we do that. If you want us to take a look at an accident, please give us a call here, 602-283-4122.